What causes heating, ventilation, and air conditioning bearings to fail? Bearings usually fail because the grease inside them dries up or leaks out, letting metal rub against metal, and that friction, combined with dirt, moisture, and years of constant spinning, wears the smooth surfaces down until the motor locks up or starts screeching. Think of a bearing like a tiny skateboard wheel that lets a shaft spin smoothly instead of grinding against its housing. Inside that little wheel is a thin layer of grease, and that grease is the only thing stopping metal from touching metal thousands of times a minute. Over time, heat from the motor cooks that grease until it turns dry and crumbly, kind of like old chapstick. And once that happens, the metal parts start rubbing and wearing a groove into each other. Something most homeowners never hear about is that humidity is just as damaging as heat, because moist air sneaks into the bearing and causes tiny rust spots, and rust acts like sandpaper every time the shaft turns. Another hidden cause is electrical current actually passing through the bearing itself from a poorly grounded motor, which creates tiny pits called fluting that ruin the bearing from the inside out. If you catch a bearing making a high-pitched squeal or a low grinding hum early, replacing it costs very little compared to waiting until it seizes and takes the whole motor with it. A lot of people assume bearings just wear out from age alone, but the bigger culprit is usually skipped maintenance, so getting a yearly tune-up where grease and lubrication get checked makes a real difference. Another mistake is ignoring strange noises because the system still blows air, when really that faint whine is often the first warning sign, and shutting the unit off and calling someone quickly can save the motor. People also forget that dirty air filters make the whole system work harder and run hotter, which speeds up bearing failure, so swapping filters every 1 to 3 months is a simple fix that protects way more than just air quality. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.